The saying less is more is true, and that's what we're going to be doing for this Esee Izula Minimalist handle wrap. So you might ask, well Tim, what does that really mean? And how is less more? I'm going to get into that. But first, the paracord we're using is from paracordweavers.com, of course. Check us out for all the best cord and kits for this super functional and versatile nylon rope. But as I was saying, less is more. And in this case with a paracord handle wrap, I'd personally say the function of that is to obviously improve your grip and give you a better purchase on the knife. And I think that can be accomplished using a technique as simple as this. And sure, it doesn't look the fanciest or use a ton of cord, but I think that's okay because it does the job. The saying less is more is often attributed to architect Ludwig Miles van der Rohe, and the core concept revolves around simplifying, reducing components, eliminating the unnecessary, and removing clutter to lead to greater functionality. Now, I've done more complicated wraps on paracord knives before on this channel, and I absolutely love them. I also think they look amazing. Sure, they may fill out the hand a bit more, but I do feel that sometimes unless you tie them super tight, they can actually tend to move around on the handle, which isn't ideal for functionality. You could dunk it in hot water to tighten it, but I think this super minimal skeleton wrap doesn't even need that. And in the process of doing something simple like this, I've also realized that with the videos I make, I too am guilty of sometimes overcomplicating things. I feel like I've kind of been forced to for quote-unquote engagement. That has often led me to feeling burnt out. I then take a look back at the roots of where this channel started, and it was simply using paracord to do or craft fun and interesting things. So I think once in a while, it's totally okay to do something simple. No overly excessive concept or ideas, just show you guys something. And sure, stuff like this may not get a ton of views, but that's okay. Not everything has to be over the top. Like this handle wrap. It's so simple that I didn't even want to tie a lanyard knot. And I actually really like it in terms of look and feel. But mainly what I like about it is how simple it is. To the point where I don't think I even really needed to talk you through this one, but if anything is unclear though, just drop me a comment and I can clarify. And sure, you're no longer storing extra usable cord on your knife, but that's alright too. You're better off just carrying extra cord with you or on a quick release bracelet of some sort. Also, I think skeleton wrap sounds great for this one, but if you have any other suggestions, let me know. If you are in the mood for something fancier in terms of knife handle wraps though, you can check these videos out.